Controlled beam pattern directs light exactly where you need it. Lower power use than traditional forward-facing lights. Bright 6000K white light. Replicates daylight to illuminate road and trail. Compact and durable. The PIAA LP550 5-inch LED long-range driving lights feature reflector-facing LEDs that project off of an ingenious computer-designed multi-surface reflector. Offering more and better illumination than halogen lights with the durability and low power draw of LED lighting. Made with polycarbonate and cast aluminum housing with polycarbonate lens. Top reviews from the United States. Pros, cons, and I love it. Not as bright as expected, however that could be because I ordered the driving style instead of fog or flood. Install was a breeze, great instructions. The protection covering that looks like a cage is hard plastic. I am not certain how well it would hold up while rock climbing, however the entire assembly is sturdy. I love the look, and I would highly recommend these to anyone who wants quality lights without the price of KCs.